Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about all the stuff I've been doing on my 1949 John Deere Model M in the past couple weeks. I haven't been doing too many videos on putting the parts back on because it all comes together pretty quickly, and I was kind of in a hurry to get it ready for a tractor show that we went to just a few weeks after I finished painting this tractor. So I was in a kind of a hurry, but now I'm in less of a hurry, and now we can do more videos on my tractor, hopefully. So I'll start telling you all the stuff I've been doing on it, show you some pictures, and hopefully catch you guys up a little bit on what's been going on. Okay guys, so to start, I'm just gonna try to clear this up really quick. I painted my tractor, and you guys can go watch that video on my YouTube channel, but you can see the hood and the grill do not look as good as the rest of the tractor. And also, the yellow stripe down the center of the hood is not supposed to be there. It's supposed to be all green with yellow decals. Now, when I got this tractor almost 2 years ago now, it came with the John Deere on the hood exactly as you see it. It was a little bit dirtier, but it was pretty much the exact same. And how it was explained to me is when owners saw the new two-color paint scheme on the newer John Deere 2-cylinders, they wanted their older 2-cylinders to look like that. So they painted their a yellow stripe down it and put the green John Deere on this tractor. You can see there are some other tractors around this era that had the same kind of paint job that their owners must have updated. And I will return this to the original color. The reason why we did not paint them all at the same time, though, is because if you see the grill is not on right, and I'll show you why. So if you like watching tractor YouTube videos, there's another tractor YouTube channel with the Model M, and it's called Tractor Dad, the Tractor Dad YouTube channel. If you search that up on the YouTube search bar, it should come up. But Jeremy's a really nice guy, and he sent me up this radiator for free when we were looking for a new radiator, and we couldn't find one for not very much money. And since we didn't know if the engine was any good, we didn't want to spend $300 on a radiator when we didn't know if the engine was any good. But anyway, so you can see this new style radiator. The hood does not, well, the hood's right, that's original, but the hole is not right for this radiator. The people who designed this didn't put the hole in the right spot. So I know the guy running the Tractor Dad YouTube channel, he cut a hole out like this. And I was thinking about doing that, but I'd like to do a really nice job here. So I'm thinking we're going to cover this hole up and then cut another hole. And then it should look original. And you wouldn't even be able to tell unless I told you. So that's the plan for that. And we're going to get a experienced body and sheet metal work guy to help me with that, so I don't mess up, and it hopefully will do a really good job. And then Steve from Rusty Wrench Restorations, he sent me some decals that I'm going to put here. They're the proper decals, and that stripe is going to be green. And you can see I did put a brush paint some on the green there just to make it look a little nicer. But yeah, that's the plan. We're going to repaint the hood and the grill and put some new decals on it. So one of the last videos I've done on this tractor was painting it. You can go watch that video on my YouTube channel if you want, but you can see the paint job turned out really nice. And we also painted some of the electrical parts. And I'm pretty sure the starter and the generator are supposed to be green, but I think they look pretty good black. And yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. And we also painted the rims. You can go watch that video on my YouTube channel as well. And we've got them all put back together, and they're looking really nice. I'll put some pictures in here of me putting this tractor back together. So yeah, now you guys know how this tractor went back together. You can see the fenders turned out really good. I guess you can't really see that one too good, but this one turned out really good. I got the wheel weights on. I just put them on yesterday. I'll show you guys some pictures of how I put them on. Yeah, we just got them on and they look really cool. I really like the look of the wheel weights on the tractor. You can also get front wheel weights. You can also double up the back wheel weights, but that'd be way too heavy for this little tractor. Plus, the most work I'll be doing with is probably plowing. And yeah, that will give you guys a hint of one of the upcoming projects. So yeah, you guys saw how I put it back together, and yeah, I did go to a tractor show with this tractor, like I've been mentioning. It was in Palmerston, Ontario. I'll put some pictures on here of that. Yeah, you guys saw in that video the Baker fan I was running with the belt pulley on this tractor. Right there. That was a lot of fun. We got to make her snort a little bit. And yeah, we also went on that teeter-totter thing with this tractor, which was kind of fun. And it was easy because I had the foot clutch and the foot brakes, where some guys with the hand clutch had a bit more trouble with it. You can see I have my John Deere wagon hooked up to it. Hopefully, I restored this a few years ago actually. This was my first John Deere restoration project. And you can see it's upside down right now, but there's a J right there, and then there's a D. So that's John Deere. And this is all supposed to be all yellow, but I decided to paint it green and yellow because that looks kind of cool. But I built this flat rack, and we use this for all sorts of stuff. And I think I'm gonna put a new coat of green on here. That's just John Deere green paint, not the expensive classic green stuff. It's just John Deere color that you can buy from Tractor Supply or wherever you get your paint for your tractors. But I just put it on there to protect it from the rain and hopefully to seal up the wood. I'm also going to repaint the hitch, but all the rest of the wagon seems to be in good shape. So back to the tractor, plans for future videos, or maybe I'll just update you guys, because when you get working, it's a little bit of a nuisance to have to get the camera ready and stuff. But I do like making these videos for you guys if you guys like watching them. But the next things we're going to do is put new gauges in. I got new gauges here. That should be kind of cool. We're going to build a new wiring harness. We're going to paint the hood and the grill and paint that muffler. We got this muffler, but as soon as we started working it, all the paint flaked off, so we're going to have to repaint that with high temperature paint. We're going to repaint the muffler, fix the hood and the grill, and then yeah, this thing will hopefully would be a very nice tractor when we do all that stuff. I'd still like to get it tuned up very well and maybe get some new tires in the future, but these ones are doing their job for now. But yeah, we're almost done with this tractor restoration project. So that's just a little update for you guys of all the stuff I've been doing on my tractor recently, and I'll tell you some of my other projects hopefully soon. But right now I'm going to take this for a little ride for you guys so you can see how good it runs. phone holder on here yet, so I'm just going to hold the phone for now. But it's running really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed that ride as much as I did, and hopefully we can do some more videos of me driving this tractor around, because it is one of the funnest tractors on the farm to drive. So you also saw I had some drone videos in there. I'm trying to get my drone out a little more and post them on some videos I take on YouTube. And it's a DJI drone that I fixed up, and now I'm using it. It's a pretty nice drone. It's not the it doesn't take perfect pictures, but it's pretty good for what I use it for. And yeah, I really like that. You would have also seen the videos I took of me sickle barrel mowing with this tractor a few days ago, and that was lots of fun. I like mowing ditches. I also helped my neighbor with some hay last week, which was kind of fun. And yeah, so I hope you like those drone videos, and I hope to put some more on YouTube for you guys. But yeah, I also have some different projects. I have a, you guys know the number 5 Subaru mower, and probably some of you have already guessed, we have a M2 plow. Actually, we have 2 M2 plows for this tractor. The one's a parts plow, or maybe we might turn it into the good plow, and the other one will be a parts plow. We have 2 plows. We're not sure exactly which one we're going to make it work, but we have one that we've been using, so I think that's the one we're going to do. But we've got the wagon to do, we've got to finish up this tractor, lots of different stuff that might be coming on YouTube. I also might be able to be getting a little busy, so might not be able to videotape everything, or maybe I'll just won't videotape anything. I'll just give you guys an update and show you the finished product. But I hope you like this video. If you like this kind of stuff, consider subscribing, because it's really encouraging, and thanks for everybody who has been subscribing, because I've noticed it's been jumping up quite a bit. So thanks for everybody for doing that, and hopefully I'll see you next video with more stuff on old John Deere equipment. Thanks for watching.